Your knife is a lie. You think that expensive brand name or that flashy handle means you've got a quality blade. Think again. I went deep into the knife world, testing a dozen of the most popular chef knives on the market. I chopped, I sliced, I diced until my fingers were numb, and what I found was shocking. Most are overpriced, overhyped, and underwhelming. But these four are different. They're not just good, they're broken. Game-breakingly good, and one of them costs less than your average takeout meal. If you care about your cooking, you need to see this. Starting at number 1. Mac MTH-80. Selecting a chef's knife has a lot to do with personal preference, but we're confident that the Mac MTH-80 is one of the most widely appealing knives available. Its razor-sharp edge, comfortable handle, and agile blade make chopping tasks much easier, which in turn cuts down on meal prep time. And because of the MTH-80's excellent edge retention, with proper care it will stay sharp for a long time. If you're not buying your knife directly from Mac, check Mac's website to make sure you're purchasing from an authorized seller. We also do our best to link only to authorized sellers. Besides the fact that Mac's 25-year warranty is voided if you buy through an unauthorized seller, we've also discovered that poor quality fakes are floating around Amazon. Number 2. Tojiro F-808. If you want to spend less than $100, or you just want to add a Japanese judo knife to your collection, the Tojiro F-808 is an excellent choice. Thanks to its sharp edge, hard steel, quality construction, and affordable price, this model is one of the best values in Japanese-made knives. The flat belly curve makes the F-808 ideal for fine cuts and paper-thin slices of vegetables and meat. The Tojiro knife is thinner and more brittle than our top pick, so it's not suitable for hacking through thick, dense vegetables, like butternut squash. Although we really like the F-808, it needs a little more TLC than the Mac MTH-80. Number 3. Wüsthof Classic Ikon 8 Chef's Knife. If you're accustomed to the feel of a heavier German knife, the Wüsthof Classic Ikon 8 Chef's Knife is sharp and sturdy. Compared with the other forged German knives we tested, this one's thinner blade cut more smoothly through all of the veggies we chopped. We liked how easily it maneuvered around curves when cutting away butternut squash skin and citrus rinds. Budget pick. Number 4. Victorinox Swiss Classic Chef's Knife. The Victorinox Swiss Classic Chef's Knife 8-inch is the best knife you can buy for the price. It's a favorite of budget-conscious home cooks, and it has an ergonomically shaped plastic handle that appeals to most people. The factory edge isn't as sharp as that of our other picks, so in our tests it left us with slightly split carrots. However, it did allow us to cut a butternut squash clean in half. Compared with the other budget knives we tried, testers preferred the Victorinox knife for its maneuverability and comfortable feel. So there you have it, 4 blades that truly stand above the rest. Whether you're a professional chef or a home cook, one of these will fundamentally change your time in the kitchen for the better. Ready to upgrade? All the links to checkout prices, read full specs, and grab your own are waiting for you in the description below. If this guide saved you from a bad purchase or helped you find your next perfect knife, please smash that like button, share this video with a friend who loves to cook, and subscribe for more no-nonsense kitchen gear breakdowns. Thanks for watching. Now go sharpen your skills.